Party people, from right to left, from left to right. Shake your hip to this, if you're feeling this, if you're feeling this. Shake your hip to this, shake your hip to this, if you're feeling this, if you're feeling this. Shake your hip to this, shake your hip to this. Stay on top of this, see if you can follow this. Drink and swallow this, eat from the hollow tips. Bounce, rock, skate with the quickness. Shake your hip to this, tell me if you're feeling this. If you are, let me know who you are. Turn it up real loud, let it beat in your car. I'm the best by far, like my man Omar. Make a real loud noise, let me hear where you are. Make a real loud noise, make a real loud noise, make a real loud noise. Let me hear where you are. 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 Party people, shake your hip to this, shake your hip to this. If you're feeling this, if you're feeling this, shake your hip to this.
Michael etiquette, fly nigga etiquette. Dress elegant, but never talking arrogant. We get together with our inner city relatives. With no embarrassment, I'll tell you where the party is. It gotta be a hot groove and a vibe. So throw your hands high for the crew, J5. Variety and pedigree, old school melody. Bump what you telling me, you feeling it, then let it, baby. Old school melody. Variety and pedigree. Old school melody, old school melody. Variety and pedigree.
Shake your hip to this, 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 if you're feeling this.
Axe licking this rap shit, get slapped quick, match wits, words so look cracks like chapstick. Hot spit, Louis lyricals packed with content. You never will have none like an empty convent.
Nella prima serie dei 200 farfalla maschili, Andrea Corona tira volo nuoto in 1. In corsia numero 2, il campione italiano giovanile classe 99 di questa specialità, Francesco Zucchetta, Mirano Nuoto. In corsia 3 lo ritroviamo Francesco Peron, Plenty in Veneto. In corsia 4 il campione italiano giovanile classe 96 dei 200 farfalla, Mattia Zuin, Nottoli Nuoto. In 5 William Casarotto, Team Veneto. In 6 Gabriel Salium, Mirano. In 7 Edoardo Brugnera, Idros. In 8 Andreas Zomer, 2001 Team. Intanto 2:12:83 per la quinta corsia di Matteo Ciriello. È l'atleta 3 piscine.